how is everyone doing? I hope you guys are all fine. We are also doing great here at the Vanuaturing house. It finally cleared up. The sky is so nice. The sun is up, so I am finally motivated to make a vlog today. Do let me know in the comments what are the activities you guys have been doing, so probably we can do it as well. I have already a lot of stuff lined up, so I'm excited about that. So what is up for today? So I've got some exciting news. What happened, Palanga? Be careful with that pistachio, ah? Yeah, I've got some exciting news. Not exciting for the world. It's not really great, but it's I'm trying to look at it in a positive way to give you a positive energy. So yeah, Netherlands is in hard lockdown since Wednesday. So since yesterday, so every establishment is closed except the ones that are selling essential goods like the groceries, apotheke, or what they call it, what we call it, the pharmacies and the grocery stores. Oh no! So yeah, groceries are open, banks, pharmacies. So those are the only ones that are open. And of course, the daycares and kindergarten, the schools are closed. So that means that Jens has been with me the whole day. So we've been doing a lot of things, drawings. I've been teaching him to write his name, so he can write now letter B. But no, it's not yet successful with writing his name. But he's been drawing faces with eyes, ears, and neck. So we have been having fun actually, and he's been very, yeah, 90% of the time very behaved, and has been helping me in the kitchen. Oh my God, has been preparing my coffee yesterday morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, and also this morning, because he knows I drink that much coffee. So immediately, Mama, coffee. So he goes, picks up my, this little stairway and makes the coffee for me. So yeah, it's been exciting 2 days for me. So today, guys, we are going to take you sightseeing and walking to my favorite village. This time I'm taking my time because I don't need to work. Jens is gonna be home with me till the 18th. So let's call this our lazy time. Oh, nay. Commonly known as Zaanse along the river of Zaan, it is one of the most popular tourist destinations all over the world because of its unique heritage. The windmills, for example, is a symbol of beauty and the Dutch legacy.
This idyllic village is also my personal favorite. It is a residential area that prides itself with Holland's rich culture. There are bakeries, cheese stores, museum, and restaurants in the area. In fact, our five-course meal on Christmas Day is going to be delivered from one of the restaurants in the area, the Grote Walvis, or in English, the Big Whale.
Yeah, it's doing circles. Round and round, round and round. Mm-hmm. Round and round, round and Is that? Is schooner? Heb je de schoenen gezien? Baby? Heb je de schoenen gezien? Yeah. Yeah, it is a shoe. Yeah, it's a big shoe. Yeah, other shoes. We go there to the other shoe. Yeah. What boy? Okay.
When you walk along these streets, it will give you a full understanding of what the Netherlands is all about and how it has evolved into one of the most powerful countries when it comes to innovation and technology.
Yeah. Can we fit here? Okay. What? Wanna go to the windmill? Oh. Yeah. Sorry. Strax, okay ba? Kaya it's still updating. Hi guys! Hello! Good afternoon! We're just enjoying the sunny day today here in San Francisco. I hope you're enjoying your afternoon too. Bye! We'll see you later guys. Hey guys! I hope you enjoyed our walk today. It was very nice, very relaxing, and it's 7 days before Christmas, guys. I've mentioned already in my last vlog, I think, that yeah, we're just gonna be having a nice dinner at home, the three of us. The new rule now is just maximum 2 people, but for 24, 25, and 26 we are allowed to have 3 guests, and obviously we won't be having any guests. we are thinking of meeting JP's best friend between 25 and the new year. So should be nice. Jens got tired, so he's now sleeping, and it's only a few minutes and we are already home.
Thanks for walking with us today, guys. I hope you enjoy the views, and as always, wishing you a great Christmas holidays. We will show you more of Holland in our next vlogs. Bye! See you next time!